the override menu. So the override UI you see is down here at the bottom. It is connected to the 4 buttons. In the view controller, we passed in these 4 buttons, and the override UI just uses these buttons to take over the robot manually in case you want to move it or something, or jog the motors manually. So the way this is set up is it has all of these different functions. It has down, up, up inside, up outside. So basically it's set up so that when the override thing starts, or when the override object is initiated, it just runs this in a loop, and it just constantly checks what buttons are pressed. And if any of the buttons are pressed, it will automatically send that action to the robot, and it'll force the robot into the override state. So it updates the robot's action 10 times per second, so it can seem a bit slow, but it's usually smooth enough that it doesn't really matter. But yeah, you can see if the forward button is pressed and the back button is not pressed, then it goes forward. If the back button is pressed and the forward button is not pressed, then it goes backward.